Hello, it's Ronnie Yoga Devi checking in with you. Today was a really lovely spring day. Finally, it's starting to feel like you can get out and do things. So, I started my day this morning by making a super healthy breakfast. This was my breakfast. I think it's really important to have a healthy breakfast. So on my LinkedIn today, I did a poll on whether people are eating a healthy breakfast or not. This afternoon, after I packed to go away to see my dad, I went down to the beach. And this is the rock snake. I mentioned that in my last post, but these were pictures I actually took myself of the rock snake. And so here's walking down the boardwalk. As I'm walking here, I'm coming towards this lovely young Albanian man who plays the violin quite beautifully. So happy that it's spring, we can get outside. I'm also really pleased that my teacher, Beulah is feeling better. He'd been sick for a while. I'm so happy that he's feeling better. So here's some pictures of the beach as the sun went down. It's just gorgeous. You can't beat that. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Ronnie Yoga Devi signing off. Email us at yogaronnieme.com if you'd like to be added to our mailing list,